All right, guys, let's take a look at NVIDIA. We're finally seeing some bearish action in this stock. We got a bearish engulfing candlestick on the daily. That means the candle engulfs the full previous candle. So we also got a fake out above the high. Okay, so we got a fake out above the high, a bearish engulfing candle, and we're getting some bearish action in the aftermarket as well. And that could lead to a gap down. And if it's a gap down, this could be a bearish island reversal pattern, in addition to the 3 gap up bearish reversal pattern. We got a gap here, or several gaps, but usually 3 gaps in a row after a move like this. We've got 1, 2, and 3. I have a scanner that looks at the charts as well, and that's how I was kind of confirming. I'm like, am I reading this right? And it also says bearish 3 gaps up pattern. So took a look at that. We got several bearish signals now on NVIDIA. What I was looking for was a test of this green line tomorrow, which as of today was at 1,043. It might go lower than that. Maybe we go to the middle Bollinger Band on the daily. If we go to the middle Bollinger Band on the daily, that's going to be all the way around probably by tomorrow. As of today, it was at 962, but as of tomorrow, it might be around the 1,000 mark. So keeping an eye out for that, potentially more bearish momentum on NVIDIA tomorrow. If we get a gap down and we quickly fill that gap, that would probably be a sign that we're not going to follow through. If the gap is filled, so we know the low of today's candle is at 1,096.63. So if the bears are going to continue momentum, you want to gap down and it doesn't fill the gap, like just flushes. No up move, no filling the gap, just gaps down and then flushes. That's what I'm potentially looking for tomorrow on NVIDIA. It's not just NVIDIA. Overall market's looking quite bearish. We have a lower high here and a lower low on QQQ. So we got our high. Well, got a high and a low on the same day, basically. High, low, lower high, lower low. We got a little bit of a double top on the daily. So some bearish action on QQQ as well. We're also getting bearish action on the futures chart. And this is probably going to affect a lot of stocks in general if we are indeed about to get a bearish move, which looks like it to me because we broke some clear supports. We got the double top, lower high and lower low pattern. And if we're faking out above these previous highs as well, that's another sign as well that we could be dumping, and some potential targets on QQQ I would look at would be down at the 50-day moving average around 440, 100-day moving average around 434 potentially. I don't see 434 tomorrow, but 440 looks like a possibility tomorrow if we get some follow through on this bearish move. And that also lines up with the weekly 8 period. That might be our target tomorrow if we get some follow through on the QQQ down move.